Hello and welcome to another video. Today we'll be looking at a strategy you can use to trade volatility 75 index. On my screen I have V75. I have two windows. I have the upper window and I have the lower window. This is my upper window. It's a 1 hour time frame window, and then this is my lower window. The 5-minute time frame window. All right, so for this strategy, for the upper window I have two windows, while for the lower window I have three windows. For the upper window I have the main chart. This is my main chart, and this indicator window 1. But for the lower window, this is my main chart, this indicator window 1, and this is indicator window 2. All right, so let's look at the settings for the upper window. This is my upper window. Let's look at the settings, then we'll look at how the strategy works. Right, looking at the settings, we have moving averages. The first one is 21 period moving average, exponential moving average, apply to close. The color is blue. And the second moving average is 5 period exponential moving average, apply to close. Color is red. So basically how that works is when the red moving average cross up above the blue moving average, like you have around here, okay, that will be a buy signal. When it crosses down, sell signal. When it crosses up, buy signal. When it crosses down, sell signal. Like there's a cross down here again, sell signal. And this is where we have a cross up for us to have a buy signal. So that's how it works on the main window. All right, for indicator window 1, for main window, let's look at the settings. We have MACD. Fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Okay, the color of the main and the signal will match the background color of the chart, and the level is 0 level. Okay, to the MACD we have moving average 1 period. Now the shift is -3. Method is simple moving average, apply to first indicator's data, and the color is red. So if we go to indicator window 1, we have when the red line crosses above the 0 level, like we have here, that's a buy signal. When it crosses down the 0 level, you have a sell signal, like you have around here. When it crosses up, buy signal. When it crosses down, like we have around here, the sell signal. When it crosses up, like we have around here, this is a buy signal. Okay, so that's the way the strategy works for the upper window. All right, and the lower window is almost the same thing, almost the same setup, the same settings. Let's look at the settings for the lower window. Like I said, for the upper window, two moving averages. The first one, 21 EMA, blue color, apply to close. Second moving average, 5 EMA, red color, apply to close. This time around we have indicator window 1 MACD. We have fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close. Color match the background color of the main and signal styles will match the background color, and the MACD level is 0. Okay, now we have two moving averages. The first one is 1 period, the shift is -3. Method is simple, apply to first indicator's data. Now the color is red, And second moving average is 200 period. Simple. Apply to previous indicators data and the color is blue. Okay, for indicator window 2, you have average true range. Period is 14, color is red. So if we go to the chart, just like what we have on the upper window, repetition on the lower window. Okay, when the red line crosses above the blue, we have buy. When it crosses down on the blue, we have sell. And it crosses up above the blue, we have buy. When it crosses down, like we have around here, you have sell. Okay. All right. Now, also on indicator window 1, when the red line crosses above, when the red line crosses above the 0 level, like we have around here, buy. When it crosses below the 0 level, sell. When it crosses above the 0 level and the 200, like it's crossing above the 0 and 200 here. Crossing above the 200 is your signal, then above the 0 is your confirmation. That's buy. Okay. Now crossing below the 0 level is your confirmation. Since the signal, it does not cross the signal before getting to the 0 level. So your 0 level is always your confirmation. So this is a sell and this is a buy. As you can see on the main window, for this signal on indicator window 1, price went up in response to the buy signal or buy confirmation. And for the sell around here, price went down in response to this signal on the indicator window 1, price went down. Okay, so for the lower window, the indicator window 2, which is our ATR, the ATR, the way it works is when the ATR gets to the lowest level, okay, like you have around here, ATR is low, so look for buy. So when the ATR is high, look for sell, like you have around here. ATR is highest around here or highest around here, look for sell. So all you have to do is wait for sell signal to happen on indicator window 1 and the indicator window and the main window. So the way this strategy works actually is you now synchronize what happens on the 2 window. Like the main, this is the bigger window, which is the 1 hour. This is the bigger window, which is the 1 hour time frame, and this is smaller window, which is the 5 minutes time frame. So if you have a buy on the 1 hour time frame, like you have around here, you also have a buy around here. So you wait for you to have a buy on the lower time frame, and also wait for you to have a buy on all windows like you have around here. Then you execute your buy. Like I've just placed a buy trade and I'm expecting price to go up so that I can scalp. It's already going up, but we are having like a range here, so that I can scalp some profits. So that's the way the strategy works. Make sure you backtest a new strategy. Try it on demo account for some time. Try to understand it before you go live. Don't go live, don't rush and then go live on a real account whereby you end up losing your money. Make sure you try it on demo account. Check it with history, backtest the strategy to be sure that you know how to use the strategy. Let me go over with the settings one more time. We have 2 windows, the upper window, which is 1 hour time frame, and lower window, which is 5 minutes time frame. How do you separate your windows? You come to this tab here at the upper part of your screen, like you have the upper part, you have crosshair, then you have indicators, then you have symbols, then you have window. So if you press this window tab, like I'm going to press it now, it pops up a dialog box. It pops up like a box where you have a chat box, like where you have the 2 time frames. This is the first time frame, which is 1 hour, and this second time frame, which is 5 minutes. So that's how. If you want to remove, you can always highlight, then you click remove. So if you want to add, you can always click the cross new window cross sign above to have another window. I think the maximum number of windows for your mobile device is 2. All right, so that's how to divide the window. Don't forget, this is the icon for you to press on and then divide your chart into 2. Just press this for you to divide your chart into 2. If you press it, it pops up. Then you can now click on the plus sign and then increase your number of charts. So once you have your upper window to be 1 hour and you have your lower window to be 5 minutes, okay, then you can install the settings in this arrangement. The upper window, you have moving average. These are the settings for the parameters for the moving average: 21 EMA blue color and 5 EMA red color. Then on indicator window 1 for upper window for your 1 hour chart, you have MACD with these settings, and the level is 0, color is black. Then the moving average for indicator window 1 is 1. Meanwhile, the shift for the moving average is -3. The method is simple. First indicator's data color is red. Then for your lower window, you have a moving average on the main chart, just like you have on the upper window. But we are looking at the settings for the lower window, which is 5 minutes window. You have moving averages. The first one is 21, exponential and blue. The second one is 5, exponential, then red. Then on indicator window 1, we have MACD, 12, 26, 9, apply to close. The level is 0. Then we have moving averages on the MACD. You have the first one to be 1, -3, shift is -3. Method is simple. Apply to first indicators, data color is red. Then the second moving average 200. All right, method is simple. Previous indicators, data color is blue. Then another window, we have indicator window 2, average true range. The parameter, the period is 14. The color is red. So that's that for the settings. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click the subscription button. Like our videos. Click the like button. Also, click the notification button, the bell button below the video, so that you get to see the next video we'll publish or we'll post. Also, don't forget to make comments below the video. Ask questions if you are not clear with any part of the explanation. We'll try and explain further for you. All right, we also have our website where we have published some strategies. The name of the website is the link for the website is www.binfxtrader.com and fxfables.com. You can see articles we have published on how to trade forex and volatility index on the website. All right, so that's that for this strategy. Till I come your way